In this video, we're gonna take a look at this curved monitor that I found on TEMU. So as you can see, it's called the GoFold 34-inch upgraded. So this is a monitor, a curved monitor, and basically, as you can see, the price for it is gonna be around $200, which is amazing. They also have two different models. So this one is the 32-inch 180 hertz, and this one is the lift model. So you can lift this, so it's adjustable, but this one isn't. So if you want to buy a monitor that is curved and adjustable, you're gonna have to choose this one, which is around $300 with shipping. And this one is a great choice. It has a lot of reviews and good reviews. So in my opinion, for this price, you won't find anything better. So you can try this out. As you can see, we have this video here. So this is how it's gonna look like. So overall, I think it's a great curved monitor for this price. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.